Saturday na ulit. Oras mo sana para mag-recover after a long, busy week. This should be your rest day. Tulog na walang alarm, slow mornings, pahinga at recharge. Pero bakit kailangan mo pa ring lumabas? Kasi nasa pay parking lang ang kotse mo. Kailangan mong ilabas dahil tumatakbo ang bayad. Kahit ang gusto mo lang talaga, magpahinga sa bahay, weekend na pero may stress pa rin sa parking. Now imagine this instead. May sarili kang reserved parking slot, walang oras na binabantayan, walang pilitang labas, walang iniisip kahit magstay in ka buong araw. You park, you lock, you rest. At Condo Sharing Ortigas, we offer reserved parking slots. Perfect for working professionals and Ortigas residents na car owners na gusto ng convenience, control at peace of mind. Hurry! Limited slots only. Message us to check availability or contact 0995 4505 450.